Hi everybody, welcome back to Oma Woodworks. I'm going to be putting a coat of epoxy on an Alder slab. It's going to be a table for someone's deck. Um, I'll show it to you right here. Yeah, beautiful grain of wood. I lightly sanded it down with 180, and right now I'm mixing up the final coat that'll go on it. I'm hoping the last coat, maybe another coat after this. I'll take a look and see. But yeah, beautiful slab. I love the knot holes in there, the tight grain.
And you mix that for about, what, 2 minutes?
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
We actually have two of those slabs. We have one that's unfinished and this one here that he's working on.
Yeah, I think you can see the unfinished one. I still got a little bit of sanding to do on that one. So I'll be doing that one next. All right, here goes.
Your trowel is right up there.
Really has a nice rich grain to this.
What size trowel are you using?
I'm just spreading it out with an 1/8 inch trowel.
Well, look at that color come out.
You can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but there's some fine cracks here. So when I put the first coat on, I sealed it up. Also, this knot goes all the way through the whole piece. So I put a little bit of Tyvek tape on the bottom side, and I filled those before I actually put a coat of epoxy on, just to stop a lot of air bubbles. This knot here too is just beautiful.
And then once we have it all epoxied, then we're going to put hairpin legs on it, and then it'll be a nice table for inside or outside.
Yeah, this one will end up on a deck, but either way, those legs are nice. They dress it up pretty good. Now I'm just bringing it to the edge.
And you just keep moving the epoxy until you have it leveled. Is that right?
Well, it'll self-level itself out. And all those trowel marks will go away. It'll just self-level. There we go. That looks pretty good. very little bubbles because, like I said, this is my second coat.
And if you get any drips down the side, which you normally will, you just take your glove hand and go around the diameter and rub that in. And then you won't have any epoxy just hanging in hard spots. So you'll go all the way around the piece just to make sure that all the epoxy is even.
Then I'll come back about an hour and a half, and I'll do this again when it's kind of set up a little bit. And you'll get a nice smooth edge. I just got a handful of bubbles. That's about all I can see right here. Yeah, looking really nice.
It's beautiful.
That'll probably keep on dripping for about maybe an hour or two, but like I said, I'll come out here in about an hour and a half, and I'll take care of the drips. Be very little sanding to do on the bottom. Right now I'm going to take the torch to it and eliminate some of that. I don't know if you can see Gilbert in the background there, but he's trying to help. That's about as smooth as glass right there. Beautiful. Let's see if I can get that. How does that look, babe, on the screen there?
Very nice, very pretty.
Can you see the grain in that real good?
Yeah, you might want to get a little bit closer.
I'm going to move the camera a little bit. Try to give you guys a better picture.
There you go. Oh, beautiful.
That knot hole looks awesome right there. That one there, and this one here has so much depth. You can see way down there. Yeah, just beautiful piece. You guys got any comments about anything? Leave a comment. I do check it out. I will answer them. And if you like the subscribe button, if you like it, hit it. I'd appreciate it very much. Okay, babe.